Started?
Yep.
Okay. So we're at 11042 North 41st Street in Phoenix. This is the repair attempt video that was requested by the insurance company. So what we're gonna do, if you wanna get a little bit of a close-up here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and repair this wind damaged shingle. This was marked by the insurance company. We're gonna try and take this book out, put it back in without trying to damage the book above it. So I'll start, let's see, by making sure that these aren't adhered. That one's not. Should end right there. Yeah. Then we'll safely go under this book and get the either nails or staples out. Looks like it's nails. Again, we want to be as soft as we possibly can here. Layers, dude, of nails. Once these nails are out, we safely just remove it. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put it back into the same spot it was in. And then take the roof stake. One. There's two. So if you want to get a close up here, now that the shingle is safely nailed in, see what we've done here with the roof stake. We've created marring on this edge here. We've created marring here, and we've created marring here. Also, should probably note, there is granule loss just from lifting it up this far. That's less than the desired 45-degree angle by code. But yeah, you see there's granule loss here and granule loss here in this corner. And then if you want to get an overview of the roof, that's it.